This is Love and Acceptance Meditation by Giselle Chardlow. Come to a comfortable standing or sitting position. Take in a deep breath and come to this present moment. Put any distractions aside just for a moment. Start to lengthen your breath in and out, slowly and deeply. Close your eyes if that's comfortable, or simply gaze down in front of you. Roll your shoulders down your back, open your chest, and ensure your spine is straight. Now stack your palms on your belly. Feel the rise and fall of your belly. Breathing in and out, slowly and deeply. Bring your attention to your core. Imagine the color red starting in your belly and radiating throughout your body. Say in your mind, I love myself, all of me, a few times. I love myself, all of me. Take a moment here to love yourself and breathe. Now bring your palms to your heart center. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Imagine the color red starting in your heart center and radiating throughout your body. And say in your mind, I accept myself, all of me, a few times. I accept myself, all of me. Take a moment here to accept yourself and breathe. Now bring your hot palms to your forehead. Cover your eyes and feel the heat of your palms on your face. Imagine the color red radiating in your third eye and radiating throughout your body. Say in your mind, I am safe. I am okay. A few times. I am safe. I am okay. Take a moment here to generate the feeling of safety. Let your mind wander to send love and acceptance to yourself in whatever way you need it today. Breathe deeply. Open your heart. Let love in, let love out. When you're ready, bring your hands in front of you in prayer and think, the light and love in me sees the light and love in you. Gently bow your head and open your eyes. Namaste. Now take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice the love and acceptance that is enveloping your body. And move forward with your day, bringing this love and acceptance into your thoughts, words, and actions. And notice that by loving and accepting yourself, you are opening to loving and accepting others. It truly starts with us to love and accept and feel safe so that we can bring that out to the people in our world.